One day I was so poor. See this? You see this? I had this garbage. I was so poor. So much. So much poor. And now also, none. Yeah, see. Just 359. My friends had this much. And these two. These things is also rich for me. Still, you see, these things over me. Max 56 and so this was garbage, okay? Was. And my friends were like, saying like, yeah, you are so new, blah 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 blah. So I will just take my this one plane. Great. You see this? See this? I have a bird. Like I call this Black Hawk. So basically, this is a bomber. Yeah, basically, this is a bomber. If you see closely in this, like in the borders, you will see one missile. You will see one missile. Let's easy to spot. Now let me show you what is it. And still like this is kind of under construction because I have more plasma boosters left. Oh yeah, never mind. It is good. Yeah, just tell me in the comments it is good or not. Like, yeah, I'm gonna launch it. With zero throttle, it is 280 studs per second. And with full, it goes like 437 per second studs. And you know how many boosts I have? Yeah, not okay. I have a bad network. You wanna see some yeah, you know, protection. Oh no, I got to see. No. Let's watch the missile show. This is जो भी मेरे सामने आएगा ठीक है देखो अभी बूस्ट मारता हूँ 1586 starts per second. Not only this thing I have, but I have more planes. I have bold. I have more planes. Let me show you. This was second. Tell me if I have any like kind of like no boosters kind of or low amounts of boosters. Tell me in the comments. Let's see. Is it less boosters? No, really. People say in my comments like, yeah, this is very less boosters. Like, yeah, people say that. I don't know, but means like I have many boosters, and too I have many missiles too. Here, see, great. That's why I call it E2 bomber. E2 bomber. And you wanna see my army passenger plane? There you go. My army passenger plane. Tell me if you have something in your mind that. Wait. Tell me if you have something in your mind that is like not looking great, good or something. Tell me just tell me in the comments, okay? I'll fix it. And I'll show you the upper part. Actually, the upper part is very messy, but still. Body. And also my bad parkour skills. Oh, okay, great. Great. Just looking great. Oh, you saw helicopter propellers, delta wings, and something like this. Yo. Yeah. It speeds. Full throttle. Oh, now tell me if it is good. Now, if you want to watch more, then watch. Like if you want to just leave a comment or a like, or most necessary thing, or subscribe. Whoopee! And if you left it, why? Like, see. Don't leave me. See. We people, small creators, create videos for you, but you guys don't watch it. And why don't subscribe, bro? Just like, bro. If your one tap is helping a creator so much, then why don't you do it? Please do it. So enough for today. Bye bye.